MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's get totally inspired and fall in love with a Bobbi Boss wig. This wig is actually from WIG. If you saw the infamous Ren wig that I did right here, that was so extremely popular, interviewed me for one of their blogs. Check out the blog. It was so much fun talking with them. A really great company, and I'm so happy to share this next wig with you. In fact, I have this exact color that is on the card. So she is a lace front Swiss lace wig, premium synthetic. She is heat safe as well. And then she also, what's really nice, she has a handmade deep 5-inch parting. That you can never really go wrong with, right? Here she is. Let's look at this gorgeous natural with these beautiful soft waves. And she's honestly a really great length. The front here, like this is the main part, as you can see, she has got these beautiful face framing blonde like highlights right up here. And then also her root is a dark brown. Look at that. So it's a beautiful natural ombre right there with that 5-inch parting right there. I did actually add some powder to the parting right here. All I did was really just cut the lace off the front as well. I have not done any sort of plucking or anything of that nature. So let's talk about the construction of the wig. So she actually has 2 combs right up here, kind of in the side. She's actually parting, we'll see, she's actually a left eyebrow parting, which is my favorite. So she has those 2 combs right there, and then she does have a comb in the back with the fasteners. All right, I am so excited to put her on. I have yet to put her on. I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. As I call it, deal of the century. Also, this wig comes in a variety of colors. Like, definitely check it out. And she also has a medium cap. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love how natural it is. I love these face framing highlights and these curls. Her texture is also silky, but also has the lightest of texture. So it isn't like super silky, but it is honestly very natural feeling. So let me do like a little turn on the side so you can kind of see what she looks like. I'm really loving this natural looking wig with the curls and these front highlights, and of course the steep 5-inch parting. Let me know what you think about this wig. I would love to know about it. Reach out to me on Instagram. You know I love to hear from you and see you and your wigs, so reach out to me. Also, what I want to know is that I would love to do a Q&A video for all of my viewers, so let me know in the description box if there are any questions that you want me to answer about me, about what I'm up to, what I do, or anything. I would love to answer them. So again, this wig from Bobbi Boss is also from WIG, so do check it out. And of course, do check out Ren as well, because that was honestly such a great wig as well. Because let's empower each other to be the best that we can be every single day. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in Draya, wear her and love her. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.